Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink your Instagram accounts from Facebook. This is very easy. In this particular example guys, we are going to go on one Instagram account and we're going to find all the other accounts that have been added. Then I'm going to show you where exactly you can unlink them. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. The first option that you want to do right here will simply be account center. When you're at account center, I want you to click on logging in with accounts. So when you click on logging in with accounts, you will have a list of accounts that you previously linked to. Here you will have a Facebook page that is linked to this account. You will have probably Facebook account that is linked with this particular Instagram page. And you will have other Instagram pages as well. So essentially here you can click individually one by one and you can click unlink. I don't have other Instagram pages, but essentially this is where you originally added accounts, where you see add accounts, and then you can simply unlink them. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.